Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, we have to discussing about in the first chapter the continents. So, which is the biggest continent in the world, and which is the second biggest, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. See, already over about the continent, isn't it? Continents. Now, in the today's sessions, it is very important aspects in this chapter, that is oceans around the world. Oceans around the world. Fine. See here, according to some geological geologist, the whole world, it should be covered by the water. So 3% of water is there, then so 1% of land is there. It means the whole land, it should be covered by the water, like water bodies, like oceans, sea, river, stream. These are the sources of the water. Yes, beforely I'll ask one question to you people. So, which is the main sources of the water? Main source of the water. So, rain is the main source of the water. Rain. Without rain, without any organisms are living on the earth. The rain is very, very important. Rain is the main source of the water. Water, it is very essential to all the animals. Here, oceans of the world are connected with each other and are separated by the continent. The oceans have salty water. So I ask one more questions to you people. The oceans have which kind of water? Salty water. Oceans have this salty water, but it is unable to drinking. It is unable to drinking of the ocean's water. Why? It includes some salt content. That's why it is not able to drink the water, isn't it? Salty water and rich variety of the marine plants and animals. The oceans includes some plants also. Those plants are growing in the salt water or in the ocean. And also, not only the animals are available in the salt water or in the oceans, the animals, plants or animals are growth in the ocean. So which kind of animals they have stayed or living in the ocean? So the fish, the crocodile, like those biggest animals, they have living in the ocean. It means in the salt water. Dear students, listen here. ಈ ಸಾಗರಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನು ಆವರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡವಂತ ಸುಮಾರು 3% ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನು ಇದು ಆವರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂತ. ಆನಂತರ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಉಪ್ಪಿನ ಅಂಶ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ನೀರನ್ನು ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಬೆಳಿತಾವಂತ, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ವಾಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಂತ. ದ ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೀಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್, what is that? Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, it is the largest and it is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. I'll ask one more question. Which is the largest and deepest ocean in the world? That is Pacific Ocean. It covers about 30% of the Earth's surface and touch all the continents except Europe and Africa. It is touch all the continents. So within the 7 continents, it should be touched. So almost 5 continents except Europe and Africa continent. It should not touch that those 2 continents. So it means it should be covered. 5 continents because of that the Pacific Ocean it is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. ನೋಡಿ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಖಂಡಗಳದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಖಂಡಗಳಷ್ಟು ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಆವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೈತ. ಇನ್ನು 2 ಯುರೋಪ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಖಂಡಗಳನ್ನಿದು ಸೊ ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. It is so many areas it should be covered. It means it covered by the water. That's why what you call the largest and deepest ocean in the world. Did you understand? Okay. See, the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean is deepest trench. So Mariana Trench, the Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench. It is the deepest trench in the world. Some of the world the most active and dormant volcanoes lies in the oceans. Some volcanoes explode in the world. Those biggest volcanoes they explode in the Pacific Ocean. The volcanoes. I mean Jwalamukhigalo. So those volcanoes also are founded in the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. Okay. We will discussing about the Atlantic Ocean. Next we will discussing about the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. So what is the special about the Atlantic Ocean? Now we are discussing. It's the world's second largest ocean. It is the world second largest ocean in the world. ಎರಡನೇ ಅತಿ ಉದ್ದವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಾಗರ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಸಾಗರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಗರ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುರೋಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಇನ್ ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಆಫ್ ದ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. In the west it should be in the Atlantic Ocean it covered by the South and North America. In the west coast the Europe and Africa continent is there. In the east Europe and African continent is there. In the west South America and North America is there. So that's why it should be covered the 4 continents: Europe, Africa, South America and North America. ಇದು ಕೂಡ 4 ಖಂಡಗಳನ್ನು ಆವರಿಸಿದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಯುರೋಪ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. ದ ಓಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಎಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್. ಇದು ಎಸ್ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಷನ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಗರ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ರೇಂಜ್ the Andasia mountains lies beneath the Atlantic Ocean. Some mountains also there in the beneath it means under the Atlantic Ocean. That is what is that? The long range undersea mountains lies in the beneath of Atlantic Ocean, it is called the mid-Atlantic ridge. Mid-Atlantic ridge. So what you call mid-Atlantic ridge? Here, under beneath of the Atlantic Ocean, so one of the mountain range is there, that is called mid-Atlantic ridge. Mid-Atlantic ridge, isn't it? And in many places the mountains reach above the sea level and form islands. The Atlantic Ocean produces a large part of the world fish supply. Large amount of the fish has supplied from the Atlantic Ocean. The large amount of the fish has supplied from the Atlantic Ocean. It is the world highest supplies the fish only. It is also the large deposited of petroleums. Here in the Atlantic Ocean, the large amount of petroleum, the fuels also available in the Atlantic Ocean. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ ನಿಕ್ಷೇಪಗಳು ಕೂಡ ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತವಂತ. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ fuel, we should use the fuel purpose in motorbike and some other vehicles. Such kind of the fuel has available in the Atlantic Ocean. Then the natural gases and coal in the Atlantic Ocean is not available for the petroleum and also the available the gas and coal also. That gas and coal, which gas and coal also we have to using for the burning purpose. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಉರುವಲಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಕೋಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕೋಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ದ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಥೇನ್, ಮೀಥೇನ್, CH4. I think you have to study it in the science. CH4, methane. Okay. The world fish supply is also that. Let us be discussing the Indian Ocean. Already we have finished that the Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean and deepest ocean in the world, and the second one is the Atlantic Ocean, the second highest, the second largest ocean and the deepest in the world. It should be the highest fish supply from the Atlantic Ocean. And here the some other petroleums are deposited in this ocean. Not only petroleums, and we should get in by this oceans the natural gases and the coals. Now we are studying the Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean in the world. It is the third largest ocean in the world. Which is the third largest ocean in the world? That is Indian Ocean. That's Indian Ocean. It is bound by the Africa towards west. In the west, it has got the Africa, the Asia towards in the north. In the north, Asia towards, and also in the east, the Australian continent it will be touched. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are part of the Indian Ocean. So which are the part of the Indian Ocean? The Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, those are the part of the Indian Ocean. Those are the part of the Indian Ocean. And the water of the Indian Ocean is warmer than any other ocean in the world. So this ocean it has the warmer water bodies, warmer water. So know that anyone the oceans has not got the warmer water. So Indian Ocean it has the warmer water. Then the last one is another one is the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Here is the smallest ocean in the world. It is the smallest ocean in the world. So which is the smallest ocean in the world? That is Arctic Ocean. Which is the biggest ocean and largest ocean in the world? That is Pacific Ocean. Here it lies in the northern polar region around the Arctic Circle. The ocean is the frozen during the winter season. It is very frozen zone in the winter season. ಇದು ಚಳಿಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅತಿ ತಂಪುಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಜೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಆರ್ಕ್ಟಿಕ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸೀಸನ್? ದ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಲೆಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ that is called the ocean present during the winter season. During summer, the ice melt to form the large iceberg and the floating islands called ice floes. While in the summer season, the ice has melted. It means the ice has changes its shape. Those ice has converted into the water. The ice flows. It means ಹರಿಯೋದು. ಆ ಐಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಮ ಇದ್ದಂಥದ್ದು ನೀರಾಗಿ ಕರಗಿ ಹರಿಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಐಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ ದ ಸಮ್ಮರ್. ವೈ? ದ heat of the sun it's very high. That's why the ice has melting and the ice has flowing by the liquid shape, isn't it? And the North Pole is located almost the center of the frozen ocean, and the last one is the Southern Ocean. That is the last point of this chapter, the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean has been named the Fifth Ocean. It is the Fifth Ocean. So which is the Fifth Ocean? That is Southern Ocean. The portion of the Pacific Ocean. It is the portion of the Pacific Ocean. It is the portion of which ocean? The Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. It is, I think, it is the part of that ocean. The Atlantic and the Indian Ocean, the combined to form the Southern Ocean. The combine of Indian and the Atlantic Ocean, the Southern Ocean it has formed, right? ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡೋ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಕೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸದರ್ನ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಉದಯಿಸ್ತೈತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಜನ್ಮ ತಾಳ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೌತ್ ಆಫ್ 60 degrees ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸದರ್ನ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್. ಇದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಸದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸದರ್ನ್ ಓಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಟಾರ್ಟಿಕಾ. ದ ಸದರ್ನ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಸರೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. Antarctica continent. Antarctica continent. The ocean remains the mostly the frozen for whole year. Here it should be very frozen in the whole year. Frozen in the whole year. The frozen in the whole year. ಇದು ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ತಂಪುಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾತಾವರಣ ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಇಯರ್, ದ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಅಂಟಾರ್ಟಿಕಾ ಓಷಿಯನ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ವಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಂಟಾರ್ಟಿಕಾ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ I will send the PDF file regarding this chapter. Okay, dear students, now we will take the homework. So now it is finished the chapter. So in the next class, definitely we will send the PDF file. Yes. Now we should take the homework. So which is the largest and which is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. Next, write about Indian Ocean. Write about Indian Ocean. And why yes, what is ice? What is ice flows? What is ice flows? That is the third question. What is ice flows? Please write down the answers for 3 questions. Thank you.